time has mathematical existence. I will go now a bit deeper into detail that everybody will understand. A photon is moving from A to B. Okay? The shortest distance that photon can move is Planck distance. And photon is passing from one Planck distance to another Planck distance in a Planck time. Or let's say better, more precise, to pass one Planck distance, photon needs one Planck time. So Planck time is the fundamental unit of numerical order. Photon moves from A to B, and we can divide this distance into Planck distances. Okay, and photon is jumping from one Planck distance to another, and so on and so on and so on. When we divide Planck distance with Planck time, we get light speed. And Planck time is not duration. Planck time, basically, it's only a mathematical unit, has only mathematical existence. Yeah. But when we measure, when we sum, yeah, all the Planck times between A and B, where photon is moving, we will get duration. We will get time that photon has needed from A to B. So what actually is duration? Duration is the sum of Planck times. Every duration is a certain sum of Planck times. Yeah. Photon is not moving in time. He's moving only in space from A to B. And in space is always now. So what is time? The fundamental time. Okay. Fundamental time is mathematical order of events. Okay. Things are happening one after other. This is very important to understand. Yeah. There is a certain order that in which things are appearing and disappearing. Yeah. Change 1 is transforming into change 2 into change 3 into change 4, and so on. Numerical order of changes. This is mathematical time. This is fundamental time. This is time that exists on its own. Or we observe or we don't observe, things are changing in a certain order. And this order is mathematical time. And the fundamental unit of mathematical time is Planck time. When we measure order of events with clocks, this is happening after, this is happening before, this is happening now, and so on, then we get duration. And duration is emergent time. Okay, this is emergent time and is result of measurement. I published this together with my colleague David Fiscaletti back in, I guess, 2014 in Foundations of Physics. And I was thinking that this article will be kind of breakthrough because it is breakthrough in our understanding of time. But nothing happened. Nobody showed any interest for that. Because the scientific mind today is so complicated that when he will see a perfect solution, he will not take this solution. Scientific mind cannot live without problems. So we have every year more problems in physics, and we will have more and more problems until a mind, scientific mind, will not be enlightened with the awakened observer. Yeah, this is everything about time. What ones need to know. In the universe, it's always now. Things are changing. We see everything is changing. And mathematical fundamental time is numerical order of events, of changes. And emergent time is duration when we measure with clocks events, stream of changes. Once you understand this, then you understand enough to progress physics. If you don't understand this, you will have difficulties to progress physics. Maybe some technological aspect, but not the fundamental physics. Thank you.